In my neighborhood, a young man, senior, had received letter of acceptance to college. I know the parents very well, and the mother came out one morning downstairs looking for her son and saw something hanging from a tree outside, and there was her son. Oftentimes, you can't put faces to names, but when you can do that, then you know that this is something that I've got to be involved with. For a young man that we thought had a clear future going, top 10% of his class, his own car, had his own job, but something was going on there that no one really saw. Those are the things that, when it hits you personally like that, or when you know someone, then you want to make sure that no other child has to go through this, and particularly no parent has to discover their child having committed suicide.
Trillium is officially known as a local management entity, managed care organization. We really wanted to make sure that people get the right services to meet their needs at the right time. So with Compassion Reaction, we were concerned about bullying, stigma, potential for suicidal thoughts in school children. And so we partnered with the school systems in our area to say, what can we do together to best address this problem? North Carolina has a waiver from the federal government to manage these Medicaid services differently, and we have the contract with the state for these 24 counties. We are at risk, so we have to fund 100% of the needs of the 185,000 Medicaid recipients who live in our 24 counties. If we do that correctly and we manage to save a little bit of money, we have the ability to reinvest it in additional services that help the people and help the communities we serve. That's what gave us the ability to fund the Compassion Reaction program throughout our 24 counties.
There are 4 components to our Compassion Reaction. The mainstay has been Rachel's Challenge. Also, there is Youth Mental Health First Aid, a program called Youth Move, and a program called My Strength. So we built our Compassion Reaction around those 4 components. We wanted to have a variety of programs that we could offer that hit different areas of need within our 24 county area. Rachel's Challenge is a school-based program. They go into the schools, they address the kids where they are. The reason the others kind of hit them at other areas.
One of the things that we saw in the last 4 to 5 years was an increase in the statistics and the numbers of school-based bullying. So we're seeing that it's a major issue, not only in the state of North Carolina, but in our rural eastern counties. This particular Rachel's Challenge program, we felt that it would meet the needs of what the community was saying that they wanted, and for us to use the money that we had to reinvest back into the community.
Trillium really is here to serve our communities, and we hope that children and families and everybody in the community will view us as a resource and a willing and committed partner to Eastern North Carolina.